Hi, my name is Lidon, and this is HIMIC program. Along with the development of mobile tech, various traditional electronic products have added the function of mobile tech. With the smartphone popularization and big screen, it's not quite convenient to use by a single hand for a long time. Coupled with that thousand of info take a lot of our time to handle every day. A smartwatch nowadays can help us to connect the smartphone directly. Just swing your arm to read the info passed by smartphone, and that smartwatch reminds you if it needs to be handled. It also reminds you to drink water on time, take a break if you sit too long time, monitors the sleeping quality, and shows the movement data. Okay, now let us take a look at the smartwatch manufacturer Maxtop. Hello.
Hello.
Since 2012, Maxtop has established the Smart Wearable Devices company, focusing on R&D, smartwatch and smart brand. In fact, it has already been a well-known wearable devices in China. They have more than 100 customers in the world. Wow, that's so amazing! Let's get a quick look at them. This is their showroom. They have a unique decoration showing their samples, as you can see here. Every year will be 20 new smart wearable devices born here. They are following the highest quality standard to be sure they can have much lower RMA rate than the competitors in the industry. This is the R&D department of Maxtop with 50 professional R&D engineers. Yes, the fashionable smart wearable devices we just saw are designed by them. Maxtop has its own system and the ability of development PCB, so that its software can be perfectly comparable with the hardware. When one new smart wearable device is done by R&D department, it will be handed over the model department to attempt to do die sinking. They use the precise equipment to manufacture the materials the products need. Hence, they can make sure the materials can satisfy the quality standard. This is the manufacturing center of Maxtop. 300 workers are busily working. They will be sent here to be assembled. Experienced workers will strictly obey the operation rules to assemble to make sure every step is completed. This is the QC department. Maxtop has passed the ISO 9001 and every product before shipping will be tested by the equipment. Look, technicians are using the high precise machines to test the products. We are standing in front of finished product warehouse. When all the products are finished the testing, they will be packaged here. Every day the shipping team will send the products to the customers in the world as per the orders. Now we have come to International Sales Center of Maxtop. The center has more than 6 staff members. No matter where you are, you can get in touch with them in any way to the screen. In order to supply the best smart wearable devices to the customers in the globe, Maxtop is always dedicated to supply the quality smart wearable devices to satisfy their needs. In the future, there will be more amazing products. Let's pay attention to this Maxtop startup. I am Lidon, this is Maxtop. Thank you for watching us and see you next time. Bye!